Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm diving into something super cool. We're talking about Perplexity AI. Ever wondered how it works and what hidden features you might be missing out on? Stick around because I've got all the secrets and tips revealed right here. Alright, so first things first. What is Perplexity AI? In simple terms, it's an artificial intelligence designed to understand and generate human-like text. Imagine having a conversation with a machine that's almost indistinguishable from a real person. Crazy, right? So how does it actually work? At the core of Perplexity AI is something called a language model. This model is trained on a massive data set of text from the internet. Think of it like training a musician by letting them listen to every song ever created. The AI learns patterns, grammar, context, and even some nuances of human language. When you input a prompt, it predicts the most likely next words based on all that training. The result? Human-like responses that can be seriously impressive. Now let's get into some hidden features. First up, custom prompts. You can actually guide Perplexity AI by giving it a specific style or tone to follow. Want it to sound formal, casual, maybe like a pirate? You name it, it can do it. This makes it super versatile for different applications. Another cool feature is the ability to generate creative content. Need ideas for a blog post? How about brainstorming a new product name? Just give Perplexity AI a prompt and let it do the heavy lifting. It's like having a creative partner that never runs out of ideas. And let's not forget about the integration capabilities. Perplexity AI can be integrated into various applications and platforms. From chatbots to virtual assistants, the possibilities are endless. It's like adding a layer of human-like interaction wherever you need it. Alright, here's a pro tip. Experiment with different prompts and see how Perplexity AI adapts. The more specific you are, the better the responses. It's a bit like having a conversation with a friend who knows a little bit about everything, so there you have it. A quick dive into how Perplexity AI works, and some hidden features that can take your experience to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.